Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present the wonderful flavor and texture of classic bread pudding, all wrapped up into a warm, moist, and delicious little dessert package. My bread pudding cake recipe. Classic bread pudding taste with only a fraction of the carbs. Let's get started. We'll begin with our cake batter and mix together our dry ingredients: almond flour, baking powder, and some salt. Mix together with a whisk and set it aside. For our wet ingredients, add 8 tablespoons of unsalted butter and some powdered sugar substitute. Beat this with an electric mixer until it becomes crumbly. Add 2 large eggs, 1 egg yolk, some almond extract, a little bit of water, and finish with some sour cream. You can substitute some plain whole Greek yogurt here if you prefer. Give another mix to blend together. Use a spatula and scrape down the sides. Now pour in our prepared almond flour and mix until well combined. Pour the batter into an 8x8 or 9x7 inch baking dish. Smooth out the batter and gently shake and tap so that the batter is evenly distributed. Place in the middle of a preheated 350-degree oven for 15 minutes. To an unheated saucepan, add some heavy cream, 2 eggs, a granulated sugar substitute, some ground cinnamon, and a little nutmeg. Whisk this together until everything is well blended. Now place the sauce pot over medium heat. Cook and stir until it reaches a boil and begins to thicken. Remove from the heat and set it aside. Now remove the cake from the oven. You'll see that it's not quite cooked and is a little jiggly in the middle. Stir in some vanilla extract to our sauce. Gently pour the sauce over the cake so that the entire top is covered. This should leave you with about a half a cup of sauce to be used a bit later. Place the cake back into the oven for 20 to 25 minutes until the top layer is golden brown. Remove and let cool for 15 minutes. Run a knife around the edges and cut into 16 squares. Serve warm. Drizzle on some extra sauce and enjoy. There you have it, folks, my bread pudding cake recipe. All the flavors of bread pudding without all the carbs. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.